What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find old servers in Grow a Garden Roblox Mobile. So if you're looking for a way to find older servers here in Roblox Mobile, well, finding those older servers is actually pretty easy. So first things first, you want to go and open up a Roblox here in your mobile device, and you want to open up Grow a Garden. Now, in Grow a Garden here, as you can see, you only have like the play button here. So what you need to do is you want to press and hold the middle section here. As you can see, it is pop up here. You just need to swipe it up until you see the full page for Grow a Garden. Now, you want to scroll down a bit here until you see the section here for servers. Let's go ahead and click or press on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you should see the other server section. So first is you want to go and just choose the option here that says exclude full servers. And in the number of players here, you want to change this to ascending. Now, from here, you should be able to see all the servers available right now. Now, to be speaking here, older servers for Grow a Garden mostly doesn't have much player in them, which in this case, you could go and just join one of the following servers here. And again, most servers or older servers here doesn't have, in this case, most players in them. So yeah, in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.